Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about these sunglasses that I received as a gift from SOJOS. So I want to thank them very much for sending me these sunglasses. We're going to do a little bit of an unboxing, then we're going to talk about the quality, and then I'm going to show you how they look on me. So they come in this box, and when you take them out, they are wrapped in this plastic, and one of the lenses is wrapped. So they're really nice. I have to tell you, these are not very expensive sunglasses, but I was actually fooled to thinking that these were really, really expensive because they look and feel like a very high-end sunglasses pair. They come with a cleaning cloth as well. Now these are the caramel tortoise style, gradient gray on the lens. These are polarized, and they have a square, they're the square aviator, 55 millimeter lens across and 52 millimeters in height. So they have the double bar square frame, which is really good for any face shape. They're really a very high quality plastic. They have some little gold details on them. I'm really impressed with the quality, and I always look for polarized sunglasses, and they're very hard to find no matter what you spend. And I think that's really important to have really good UV protection and polarization, which makes it much more enjoyable wearing sunglasses. When you're looking, you can see things much better. So I really just want to show you again the caramel tortoise, the double bar, very high quality plastic. I'm going to put them on so you can see. I really think they're super cute. They go with anything. Great for the summer, great for the winter. They're really cute, and I really love them. So I hope you take a look at them. They come in many different colors. This is just the one that I was gifted. So I wanted to just show you these and share them with you. And hopefully if you love them, you will not only purchase them, feel free to let us know. Thanks for watching. Thanks to SOJOS, and have a great rest of your day. Like, follow, and share.